direction you walking, boy?
If it should happen, I don't walk the same direction you do. You're gonna kill me.
That is the way of things.
Reckon I don't have much of a choice then.
I reckon you don't.
I walk east.
May God forgive you.
East!
What?
I walk east, same as you.
I almost shot you.
With an empty gun. My name is Jane.
Barrett.
Well, it is nice to meet you, Barrett. How's your arm?
It's good. Did you do this?
I did.
Thank you, ma'am.
When I found you, I thought you were dead. I'm glad you're not.
I reckon I came close. Sure, I'm glad you were there.
Did you kill that other man?
He was walking west.
I must be going now.
Wait. Hold on a minute. Why don't we just walk together? I ain't seen a friendly face for miles.
Barrett, I really think we should go alone.
Please. Don't leave me alone.
All right, follow me.
Say, what about my bullet, huh? My last one.
That kind of trust you have to earn.
Come on.
No.
Oh, gee, come on.
I'll be dead and gone. Hang me, oh hang me, I'll be dead and gone. Now the hanging that of mine was laid in the jail so long. Oh Lord, I've been all around this world. Going up on the mountain, there I'll take my stand. Going up on the mountain, there I'll take my stand. Pistol in my pocket and a rifle in my hand. Oh Lord, I've been all around this world.
Oh, I ain't heard nothing like that in a long time.
It reminds me of home.
Where you come from?
I cannot remember much. There were flowers there. Yellow flowers and fields of them stretching out for forever. Dozens of birds flying over the fields and singing the sweetest songs. Nothing like here. Do you really think that everyone who walks west deserves to die?
I ain't never met one who don't. But I guess there could be good ones. Somewhere out there.
I think so too. Oh. This is yours.
So another time, there was this guy with a gun, but he missed his shot. And so I grabbed this rock and I started pounding his head in. And he was screaming, but I didn't stop until he was done. And then I grabbed his gun and I've been carrying it with me ever since. Not many you'll see walking around here with a gun.
Do you have any stories that aren't about killing?
Well, you never killed anyone before?
Once. Barrett?
Which direction are we walking?
Barrett.
Which direction?
I am sure they told you the same thing. If someone walked opposite of me, he was my enemy. I hid because I could not kill. She saw me first. She was walking west. She had blue eyes. I tried to speak, but her hands were around my neck. I couldn't breathe, but I had a knife. And her blood was the same color as mine. I will never do it again. I turned around to go back to where I came from, away from all of this.
Tell me now, Jane.
What difference difference does it make?
Which direction?
We're walking home. What are you walking towards?
I'll know when I get there.
Well, then I hope you find what you're looking for.
Mm-hmm.